Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Volkswagen Atlas SE R-Line. This one's silver. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 turbocharged V6 with 276 horsepower and 266 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. R-Line badging on the side. Black leather interior with a light gray wood trim, panorama sunroof, rear climate controls, third row seating, SE V6 4Motion badging in the back, power liftgate, trailer hitch, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seating, blind spot assist, keyless entry, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, heated seats, USB and auxiliary ports, 8-speed automatic transmission, different driving modes. This Volkswagen has 30,578 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Volkswagen Atlas SER, visit us at feldmannimports.com.